we're going to take a look at a 22-foot trailer that was built for Fresno, California. This trailer is equipped with a really good variety of equipment, so you can really do and change your menu depending on where you are and what you're planning to serve. We'll take a look at it inside in just a second, but let's take a look around on the outside first. This folding shelf is super easy to operate. It's a stainless steel shelving. Folds out. It's 304 stainless steel, so being outside on rain and sun, it doesn't matter. This is the highest rust resistant stainless steel that's on the market. It's a foldable shelf, super easy to operate, as I mentioned. You pop these up, slides right down, and then whenever you are at the event and you're ready to serve, you come out. It just takes a second to get it up. You want to make sure that they're locked. Pop your window open, and you're ready to go. That's just how easy it is. This trailer is equipped with a tandem axle. Each axle is a 7,000-pound capacity axle. Both axles will come with electric brakes. We also add a easy loop Zerk bolts where the leaf springs and the hanger kit are connected. So what you'll see sometimes is as trailers drive around, they'll squeak. This is easy to grease up and you'll be good to go. So this trailer is one-tone green, but it is fully wrapped, and all of our trailers do come with an option to be fully wrapped. You'll work with our designer. We can make it really where it stands out. You have a lot of graphics. You can make it where it's as simple as this. As I mentioned before, this one is going to Fresno County. It's actually going to San Joaquin Country Club. So if you enjoy golfing, come out to the San Joaquin Country Club, enjoy some golf and some great food. Let's take a look at the front. At the front, we've got two 100-pound propane tank cylinders that holds about 24 gallons of propane. We do have an auto changeover regulator. It'll use up one tank, and as it finishes up with that, it will switch automatically on its own and will start pulling propane out of the second tank. As we walk around to the other side of the trailer, we've got our 50 amp power connection. It's 240 volts. You would hook up to either a generator or to a power source, and then the electrical breaker panel that will distribute all the electrical that's inside of the trailer. Underneath, we've got a 93-gallon waste holding tank. It's one of the largest on the market. You've got plenty of room there. You can go for several days without needing to really refill or dispose of your water. It's pretty good if you go for like a 2-day event. Most of the time, it's sufficient what you got there on the trailer. We kind of looked at the axles on the other side, but up on top you can kind of see the big mushroom. That's your exhaust fan for the exhaust hood. On the side, that little box is a grease trap. So any oils that will go past the filters, that will end up past the ductwork, and it'll end up in the bowl, will kind of come down through a spigot on the side and into the grease collector. So once in a while you'll go up there and clean that out so you don't have any oil marks running off down your trailer. For a 22-foot trailer, this actually has a lot of equipment. And the equipment that you have here, it allows you to really change up your menu. So if you go to an event and you're always adjusting, you'll really be able to make anything out of this trailer. It has a refrigerator, it has a freezer. They're both 23 cubic feet storage capacity. You've got 2 deep fryers, you've got a 36-inch flat griddle, you've got a 24-inch char grill, you've got 4 burners, you've got an oven, you've got steam table, sandwich prep table. You've got everything in here. And on top of that, we've got the 3-compartment sink, the hand sink that are standard in our trailers, but also we've got a prep sink on here, so you can bring in vegetables, meat, and get everything washed right inside of your trailer. You wouldn't necessarily have to have a commissary for that part, at least. You still have to have a commissary in the state of California, but if you're somewhere else, this has everything you need to operate a fully commercial kitchen. All of our trailers come equipped with all the safety requirements. If you have an exhaust hood, you will have a fire suppression system. Our fire suppression system is zone protected, so everything underneath the exhaust hood is protected. It's called an overlapping zone protected fire suppression system. You get more nozzles, more agent, you get better coverage, and if you ever need to replace or change the equipment, as long as you keep it within the zone and its standard equipment, you can swap them out without needing to really adjust or do anything to the fire suppression system. It gives you that flexibility. Aside from that, you also have your K-cap oil-based fire extinguisher. You've got your ABC fire extinguisher. So the oil base is for your oil-based equipment. The ABC is kind of general use. One other great thing about our trailers is that how easy it is to actually maintain it and keep it clean. You can see it's all stainless steel, 3 or 4 stainless steel construction. So you got your wall stainless steel, you got your cabinetry that's stainless steel. Everything is smooth, easy to clean. My customers that put their time in cleaning it, I visited some of them 5 years from when they picked up their trailer, and the trailer looked amazing. Recently, I've met with a customer that had our trailer for almost 4 years, and he was telling me that whenever he went to his yearly re-inspection 3 years into the business, the inspector thought that it was a brand new trailer. So, keeping it clean, customers will also see it. Don't think that you're behind this door, behind the window, people don't see how clean or not clean you are, because people do see it. And if you keep your trailer clean, people will enjoy the food a lot more. They'll come back. Single piece of aluminum. You've got the coving, so nothing gets stuck. There are no sharp edges on the floor. It's all welded. Anywhere where there were seams, it's all welded. You can hose it out if you need to. Brush it out. I wouldn't recommend doing a pressure wash. You've got some electrical components in here, but you can hose it out. It's clean. It's solid. It's one solid piece, and it's all the seams are welded. And the cabinetry, as you can see over here, all the cabinets, everything is sealed. It's super easy to clean. Whether you're just starting out or you already own a restaurant or a food trailer business, Golden State Trailers is the place to go. We have a great team that will help you from every step of the process, from beginning of designing the trailer, implementing your dreams, your ideas, designing your exterior of the trailer, to working with your inspectors locally as well as with the state inspector, so you will get a trailer that is fully compliant in your area for your menu.